guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to DIY Art Plus. So this product is sitting on my table for very long, and now I finally have time to work on it. So the company name is Hiipoo, and it says Glitter HTV, and I'm gonna use both of these vinyl. One is just a plain red and the other one is glitter red. Yes, I love the glitter one, so I'm gonna try both of these vinyls today, and I'm gonna follow the instructions. It says mirror your design, cut, weed, and press, and you are done. Okay, so let's start. So the material looks really good and it's nice and thick actually, and I really like that. It's a really good material. So first you need a design. So I use my Procreate app to draw these flowers, and I transfer my design to my Cricut space design, and we're gonna start cutting this. Now I am using two vinyls today, and what I like to do is separate those two design from each other but on one mat, so that I can cut this design at the same time. So what I'm doing here now is counting how many boxes, how many inches I need to cut my vinyl. So this is how I always cut all the vinyls, so that I don't waste these vinyls and I can use for more projects. So what I'm gonna do is, here's my Cricut mat, and I'm just gonna measure how much vinyl I need for this one project, and I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna put the link down below of the product that I'm using, just in case if anyone here interested, and a coupon code for your first time order. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel to see more of this kind of a DIY and other painting videos. And I also did the same thing with the glitter vinyl. Alright, so let's now stick it on our Cricut mat. I'm sorry. Okay, so now it says I have to put the design flip side down, the glossy side down. Okay, so I am just gonna put the glossy side down for the both of this vinyl. And I always like to secure the edges with tape, just in case if it moves. Okay, so now let's start cutting. So here, don't forget to mirror your design, and I'm gonna use the pre-setting for the vinyl, and I'm gonna use the presser setting to more, because the glitter vinyl is kind of a little thicker and I use the pressure a little bit more. Okay, so it's gonna start cutting. So I know you don't see any cut mark here, but let me show you one very easy way when you are when you want to weed something like this. So I use baby powder, or you can also use a cornstarch, and just go over it. And I know you're not gonna see a big difference on this video, but trust me, you can see this cut lines, and it's gonna make it so much easier to weed. Now you can start weeding directly from the mat if you like. I just like to remove it from my mat before I start weeding, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Now I don't want to waste this vinyl, so I can see some extra vinyl here, so I'm just gonna cut that. I can use it on my other project, on my maybe smaller project. Okay, so if you don't have the weeding tool, you can also use a knife. That's what I have here. Okay, so sometimes vinyl give me trouble because sometimes my Cricut don't like to cut the way it should, but for this vinyl it did cut all the way through. So that was the best thing, so I didn't have to spend a lot of time cutting and peeling. So here I am just gonna peel all the extra thing off. So almost done. Now I have a lot of details inside these flowers and leaves, so I'm gonna peel those little area off, and then we are almost done. Okay, so again, for the glitter, make sure you use the pressure for more option there. Okay, so now here I'm all done with this love and this flower. So now let's start applying this vinyl on t-shirt. So I'm using just a piece of cloth, and then I put my t-shirt on. I know there are a lot of wrinkles, but trust me, it's okay. It's okay. It's mine. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is iron the area where I want to apply this vinyl. And for all the product that I'm using today, I'm gonna put the link down below. You can check it out. And I like to leave about 3 inches from the neckline, and I add my vinyl here, and then I'm just using my mini heat press, and I'm just going over maybe 3 or 4 times like this. Now I know some of the people really like to add another layer of a cloth on top and then iron it, but I'm just gonna go directly today, and it worked. So yeah, I'm so surprised that it worked, because sometimes I'm having a little trouble with that. So now, as you can see, I just let it cool off for a couple seconds, and it's peeling off so easily. if the area is really hot, the vinyl is gonna peel off, but cool down, let it cool down for a couple seconds and then peel it off. It will be easier. So yeah, here I'm all done. What do you think? Now this is all I'm gonna do, and I really like this, how this looks. Look at the glitter one, it's so shiny, and the other one is also a little glossier. So yeah, here I'm all done with this video, and thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you all like it, and thank you so much for supporting my channel here. And yeah, thank you, and I will see you next time whenever I make something new. All right, take care and bye.